Hello friends, this is Botany Ramaya. In this video, I am going to explain about structure of TMV and structure of bacteriophage. This video is very useful to MSET and NEET aspirants. So let's start our topic, structure of TMV. TMV stands for tobacco mosaic virus. TMV is a typical plant virus. It was discovered by Ivanovsky. It is most thoroughly studied virus. It is a rod-shaped virus and it is having helical symmetry. Helical symmetry means the capsomeres are arranged in helical manner around a core of nucleic acid. The length of TMV is 300 nanometers and the diameter is about 18 nanometers. The molecular weight of TMV is 39 into 10 to the power of 6 Daltons. The genome of TMV is single-stranded RNA, which is 330 nanometers in length. Here, very important point is, in tobacco mosaic virus, single-stranded RNA is genetic material. This RNA consists of 6,500 nucleotides. The capsid is made up of 2,130 protein subunits of identical size. They are called capsomeres. This is the diagram of tobacco mosaic virus. These are capsomeres and this is single-stranded RNA. The capsid is made up of a protein subunits of identical size. They are called capsomeres. Total number of capsomeres present in capsid are 2,130. Each capsomere is made up of a single polypeptide chain with 158 amino acids. In TMV, 5% RNA and 95% protein is present. TMV was the first virus to be crystallized by Stanley. So here, important points are, it is a rod-shaped virus. It is having helical symmetry. Length is 300 nanometers. Diameter is 80 nanometers. Molecular weight is 39 into 10 to the power of 6 Daltons. Genetic material is single-stranded RNA. RNA consists of 6,500 nucleotides. Total number of capsomeres present in TMV is 2,130. Total number of polypeptide chain present in TMV is 2,130. Total number of amino acids present in TMV is 3,36,540. The next one is Structure of bacteriophage. This is the diagram of bacteriophage. What is a bacteriophage? The viruses which attack bacteria are called bacteriophages. Bacteriophages were discovered by F.W. Twat and Felix D. Herelle. The term bacteriophage was coined by Felix D. Herelle. Schlesinger explained that bacteriophage made up of nucleoprotein. Hershey and Chase discovered hereditary material in bacteriophage. In bacteriophage, DNA is genetic material. It was discovered through the radio tracer techniques. The next one is structure of bacteriophage. Bacteriophages are tadpole-shaped viruses, whereas tobacco mosaic virus is a rod-shaped virus. Bacteriophage is differentiated into head and tail. Head and tail. Now, head. Head is prism-like, having length 950 angstroms and breadth 650 angstroms. In T3 and T7 bacteriophage, head is hexagonal. Most studied series of bacteriophage is T series. T-even bacteriophages are characterized by angular head and long contractile tail. The head protein forms a semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane means it allows the passage of a solvent but not of certain solutes. The head encloses double-stranded DNA. It is 1,000 times larger than the bacteriophage. This is head. This is the head. Inside the head, double-stranded DNA is present. It is 1,000 times longer than the bacteriophage itself. The next one is tail. Tail is 950 angstroms in length. The tail and head are joined by neck and collar. This is the head, and below this, tail is present. This head and tail are joined by collar and neck. The function of the collar is not known. Tail is cylindrical in shape, and it is having hollow core of 80 angstroms, and it is surrounded by tail sheath. At the end of the tail, end plate is present, to which 6 tail fibers are attached. Each tail fiber is 1,500 angstroms in length. So below the head, tail is present. Head and tail are joined by collar. At the end of the tail plate or end plate is present. This is the tail and this is the tail plate or end plate. So at the end of the tail plate is present. From the tail plate, 6 tail fibers and pins are originate. Functions of the tail fibers. Tail fibers have two main functions. First one is they help in adsorption of phage particle on the surface of the bacterium. The next one is the enzyme secreted by these fibers are helpful in the lysis of bacterial cell wall. Now, types of bacteriophages. Bacteriophages are broadly of two types. I already told you what are bacteriophages. The viruses which attack bacteria are called bacteriophages. So first one is prophages. What are prophages? The phages which do not cause lysis of bacteria are called prophages. The phages which do not cause lysis of bacteria are called prophages. Such bacterial cells which are having prophages inside the bacteria are called lysogenic bacteria. The next one is virulent phages. The phages which cause lysis of bacterial cell are called virulent phages. So friends, ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి మరియు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే పక్కనే ఉన్నటువంటి బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. నేను ఫర్దర్గా చేసే వీడియోస్ మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్లో వస్తాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.